Ganahan ka watermelon yan? Yan.
Yummy ba yan ah?
Yummy pa yan? Yummy watermelon?
Anong gusto mo tomorrow na?
Anong gusto mo prutas bukas? Ha? Ano gusto? Pabahay tayo kay Lolo. Kay Papa.
Watermelon.
Watermelon again. What else? What else?
Blueberry.
Blueberry. Uy, blueberry.
And then mango.
Mango.
And then
What?
papaya.
Papaya.
Yeah.
What is your favorite fruits?
I don't know strawberry.
Watermelon at saka
Strawberry.
strawberry.
Parehas lang din.
What else? Yummy? Yummy! Strawberry daw iya gusto at saka watermelon. Ah! What else yan? Matamis yan, matamis. Matamis yan, watermelon. Yan, sweet yan. Yan, watermelon is sweet.
Wala may answer, oy?
Answer! Ala, gitilapan agkuan, yung bukton. Ala, kaliwat kanan, subo, ala. Ala, sarap ng watermelon.
Red lang ah. Don't eat the white and green.
Ala, yummy. Sabihin mo yan, thank you for watching. Hi guys, sabihin ka muna hi guys. Ka muna, babe. Sabihin mo muna hi guys. Lakasan mo.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Sabihin mo.
Sabihin mo hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye ka muna.
Bye.
Don't forget to
Tapi kata mama papa.
Share and subscribe.
don't forget to
Jadi
follow
follow mama papa.
follow for more.
Follow mama papa.
Mama,
Bye ka muna, ganyan no? Bye, ganyan ka muna. Hans.
No.
Ay. No daw. Da. Da.
nak, bites mo lang.
Then slowly lang, oy.
Bites mo lang.
Eat slowly lang.
Your throat, anak. Aray-aray yan.
Eat slowly.
Bites mo. It's no.
Dandahan lang slowly. Slowly lang, wala naman aagaw sa'yo. Ganyan. Ganyan, slowly lang.
Mami,
Ay, thank you.
Okay,
mami bigyan ko eat watermelon. Then bigyan.
Oh, big na.
It's mami bigyan.
Buyag. Ay, yes, ang sarap. Buyag, buyag. Ay, buyag, buyag. Gustong gusto ang watermelon. Thank you for watching. Elian is eating watermelon.